I'm getting views in my motherland and all of the views in the world, in our country. Today I'm expressing one of the important chapter I'm discussing. This chapter is related to you. That is my own expression and all of the country. And in our country I expressing to you. Previously I discussed about electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. What is the meanings of electronic configuration? Electronic configuration means in elements it will be divided into parts of the cells also. It is called KLMN. KLMN. Okay. At first I discussed another about sodium. In sodium the first electron it covers 2 electrons, and secondly it covers 8 electrons, and third is 1 electron. In the middle it is called nucleus. So electronic configuration is valency of sodium is 1. It is the most important point of view for all the students and you who are now observing and watching this point appropriately. Next one I am discussing about another element. It is called oxygen. What is the meaning of oxygen? Oxygen is used for burning. It is a burning process. It is an important process of oxygen also. That is I am describing. At first, what is the valency? What is the valency of oxygen? Students are unknown about it. What is the meanings of valency? Valency, because valence electrons are covered in 2. Valency is 2. It's partial. Partial is K. Partial is K because in the middle is nucleus, and partial is K. Partial is called K, and second is L, third is M, and fourth is N. K, L, M, N. Now in the process of elements we are describing about it. First of all, K, because in partial it covers 2 electrons. Partial is covered 2 electrons. Partial it covers 2 electrons. 2 electrons, and second is 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. Okay. Next is covering. It is called in oxygen. You will get 8 electron. 8 electron, because what is the meanings of 8 electron? What is the meanings of it covering 8 electrons? Student must know this point about electronic configuration. That is the most important point of view. But now you will find out the answer, but your chapter also given, you read properly also this point also. That is, at first I am now finishing my word about science. Science is very important chapter. Now you do electronic configuration, you read the electronic configuration properly. Okay. Next one, carbon. Carbon is 12. Then for electronic, how can you find out the electronic configuration of carbon? First cell it covers 2 electrons, second is 8 electrons, third is 2, because valency of carbon is 2. Now you will find out this answer properly. Now I am not describing about oxygen, I am describing about carbon. It is the most important point of view for all of the students and who are observing and watching at the moment. That is my own suggestion for all of the world in our country. That is about it is my expression. Thanks for all.